In this video, we will discuss creating corridors. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file createacorridor.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with This Dataset video. So creating a corridor model is fairly easy to do. We're going to be picking the horizontal, the vertical, and the assembly to use, and the frequency about which we want to model this corridor. To create a corridor, navigate to the Home tab, Create Design Panel, Corridor Tool. We'll give our corridor model a name of Bypass-1, Corridor Style Basic. We'll use the alignment of bypass. And for the profile, notice how it automatically goes to the _vert1 as this is at the top of the alphabetical list. For the assembly, we'll pick the 2-lane with sidewalk. And for the target surface, we'll toggle to Combined EG. Now make sure you also have Set Baseline and Region Parameters toggled on, as we would like to define these before we build the corridor model. If you don't want to set any baseline or region parameters, you could click OK and your corridor model would be built right on the spot. Click OK. And now we can define our baseline and region parameters. Notice how you can edit anything that we just defined in that dialog box. The thing that we want to change is the start station. Let's set this to 300 as this is where our vertical alignment is going to start. For the end station, let's click on the Define Station button, and we'll navigate to the location we want to end this corridor model. We don't want it to go all the way to the end. We want it to go to the end of where our horizontal alignment exists right here. We'll go ahead and snap, and now we've got that end station defined. Let's click on Set All Frequencies, and as you can see here, you can define how often you want it to model. So along tangents, we'll go ahead and go with 15 feet, press Enter. Notice how you have the option to add an increment, by curvature, or both. So notice how you can define by mid-ordinate distance, along spirals, at geometry points, and so on. We'll go ahead and click on Add an Increment, and we'll set this to 5 units. We do want to model at PCs and PTs, and we do want to model along the profile curves at also a distance of 5 feet. We'll go ahead and click OK, and we'll go ahead and click OK to rebuild the corridor. Civil 3D is modeling at those frequencies and at those stations. And here is our corridor model. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward.